founded Beyond the Pale back in 2012. Shane and I have been friends for a long time. How long's it been?
25 years.
Pretty serious. Anyway, welcome. I'd say that Beyond the Pale started as a passion project for both of us. We both intended to keep full-time jobs and run the brewery on the side, but it turned out that wasn't really possible. And if we wanted to make the brewery viable, we were going to have to dive. So we did. We've both poured ourselves into this over the past 5 years to get to the point where we are today. Shane and I are both passionate about similar things, and I think that we've been successful at reflecting these passions through our business. We're passionate about great beer, we love making it, we love drinking it, we love sharing it with others. And we try to have as much fun as we can along the way.
I guess the whole reason behind Beyond the Pale is the engagement and the relationships that we have with our customers, our partners, and the community.
Thanks for taking the time, and thank you for the opportunity to be part of the Fedex Small Business Journal. Cheers.